Polygon Matic, one of my favorite altcoins out there in the crypto space, has been performing pretty well here in the bear market, guys. And in this video, I want to talk about a price prediction for Polygon, looking out until 2025 and 2030 from some of the sources out there. And I really like where Polygon has gone here in 2022 in terms of forming the strategic partnerships, setting themselves up to be really the liaison between getting Web 2 companies into Web 3 and making it easy for companies to come into the cryptocurrency market. So Matic, currently ranked number 10, guys, is sitting at 84 cents. We're at a low point here for the last 7 days, and I think we soon could have a nice little entry point again. I really like Polygon under 80 cents at this point during this type of market. We are down about 2.23%, market cap of about 7.3 billion right now. And we are seeing a little bit of a sell-off in the overall crypto market today, Sunday, November 20th, the day that the World Cup begins as well. So we'll see if we get some big movement from the World Cup plays that we've talked about here on the channel, whether it's Chili's, whether it's Crypto.com, Algorand, maybe even some of the specific soccer tokens as well. But let's dive into Polygon here. Talk about the future for Matic. Looking into 2025 and into 2030. So first, before we do that, let's go ahead and look at the all chart. So how high have we been? Well, we haven't been to $3 yet, but we did get up to about $2.87. Last December, actually, is when we set some all-time highs here with Polygon. So pretty fascinating that, it was a little bit of a late mover in a lot of regards. A lot of tokens and coins set their new all-time highs last year in October and November. It took Polygon a little bit longer into December until they set their new all-time highs just below $3. But where could we be heading for 2025 and 2030? Is Matic really worth it in the long term? My opinion is yes. I think it's a future top 5 crypto at this pace, guys, in terms of what has happened here in 2022, how much Polygon, the network, has grown. They reached a new milestone on November 15th after a number of unique addresses reached 191.2 million. Data from Polygon Scan shows that the daily transactions on the Polygon chain took a significant hit following the news of FTX's bankruptcy, as you can probably imagine. But as of November 15th, the total transactions stood at 3.26 million. And again, a lot more unique addresses at this point this year than we started with in 2022. So if we scroll on down, we can get into some of the details regarding the price prediction. We've also seen a lot of whales come in to Polygon this year, which gives us some good insight into where we're heading. On August 30th, Polygon released the 34th edition of Polygon Insights, a weekly analytics report where key metrics about the network, DApps, and NFTs are published. And at that point, they had 817,000 weekly active users, nice 14% increase compared to the last time they pulled that data. So if we scroll on down here, Matic price prediction 2025, and I'd like to get rid of that. Okay, that's going to just have to be there for us. You got to love ads on websites, right? All right, so Matic price prediction 2025. Changelly does a really good job with these price predictions. They say by 2025, which is right around the corner, really, we could be looking at $3.39 as kind of a medium estimate and a maximum price of just under $4 for that year. Now, according to Telegon, Matic could be a little bit higher than that by 2025, $6.93 with an average price of $7.18. They're giving the maximum price projection for the platform right around $9.36. I can say this, I've talked to a couple industry experts. They like an $8 to $10 price target in the next couple of years, as long as a bull market exists from now until 2025. Many people think that will happen. We still have 2 years until we get to 2025. Many people like an $8 to $10 Matic price from now until then. All right, now, but what about 2030? Okay, that's giving us even more of a time horizon here, 8 years down the line. The crypto market could be affected in many ways, but Changelly's crypto experts believe that By year 2030, Matic will be trading at around $22.74 and $27.07 based on their models and projections, with an average price of $23.36. Of course, that would be a drastic impact in terms of where we are now, roughly a 30x, give or take, on some of those medium projections from now until 2030. I love where Polygon is heading in terms of its use case, in terms of its relationship with Ethereum, and the year they've had here in 2022 of just inking partnership after partnership after partnership with major players, major brands looking to get into crypto. It's becoming one of my favorite assets to hold here for the long term. I've always liked it. I'm just liking it even more here in 2022. So that gives you some ideas of what we can expect from a price action standpoint. These are just projections. We're just looking into the future. We don't know for sure, of course, but let me know what you guys think about some of these projections. If you agree, disagree, how you feel about Matic down below. Don't forget to subscribe as well down there. Hit that like button for us. It's totally free to do both of those things, and it really helps us out here at the channel. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you in the next video.